Good evening. Tonight is April 9th, and I was going to talk about Chapter 23 tonight, but I got an email from the course supervisor that it's not on the final exam, so we're just going to have a very quick class. I'm going to talk to you about Assignment 2 is due right now. So, who hasn't handed it in yet?
Waffle Kruger's not here yet.
Eh?
Waffle Kruger's not here yet.
Okay. Well, we'll see. They're not here within a half hour. Yeah. Hey? I'll be here for a half hour. You're in the same group?
No.
Okay. So assignment 2 due today. Solutions will be posted later. It's just because the other sections are they're due later this week. So obviously I can't post the solutions until every section has handed it in. So, final exam. Friday, April 26th, 9 a.m. I actually checked. It's in the field house, which is the indoor soccer field we got here. It's all the chapters that we've done, except 23, which I'm not going to do anyway. So 2, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, and 22. Originally, my draft that I had done was about 60% multiple choice, 40% written, but that might change to like 50-50 or so. But it's going to be around there, 50-50, 60-40, that kind of split. You're allowed a double-sided 8.5 by 11 formula sheet. You can put whatever you want on there. As far as studying goes, strongly, how many people here have used the suggested exercises during this term? Yeah, excellent, because me and the TA, we put a lot of effort into those, so it's great to see that they're getting used. And then, obviously, the PDF slides and the notes are a good thing to practice is to just, on top of the suggested exercise, to just do every example from the slides, without looking at the answer. Just do it yourself. And you have the full written solutions in the notes. So that's a good way to practice. In general, the examples in class are they're not exactly the same in an exact representation, but they're a pretty close approximation to the kinds of questions you'll see on the final exam. So, any questions at all about anything? The final or assignment? Yeah.
Is there going to be more emphasis on stuff after the midterm for long answers?
I don't know yet. It's going to be up to the course supervisor or what she's going to put on there. I'm not sure. Usually there is, because you can only put so many questions, and so you can't put a question from every chapter. And so if you're going to put questions, normally we tend to take them more from the second half of the course. I would say the general split, written and multiple choice put together, is probably 2/3 after the midterm, 1/3 before the midterm, or so. Yeah. That's going to be up to the course supervisor. So I submitted a bunch of my questions, but she has the final say on what goes in the exam. But it's hard to tell. But prepare for harder, and then if it's easy, you swim right through.
Are you going to post previous midterm finals?
I think I already did. Sorry, I forgot to put it in one of the announcements there, but I'm pretty sure I already did put it on CU Learn. I put both a sample that's blank and then the thing with the solutions because people like to try it. Yep.
How many written problems would there be on?
I don't know. That's going to be up to the supervisor. But general 4 to 6. If it's 6 problems, they have less parts. If it's 4, they got more. But enough subparts to total about 40 to 50% of the total. Anything else at all? Okay, so chapter 23 not on the exam. So how many people here want to learn about something that's not going to be on the exam? That's what I thought. So that's it. Thank you very much.